Hey, we are looking at part 6 of GCP Cloud Security Engineer. So if you have not yet subscribed, do so. This will help you with certifications, majorly AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure Cloud. So you have a cloud identity account. This account is used to access the app endpoint management. It is just like IAM service of AWS. So you can do these three things: Google grade security, user and IT simplicity, and meeting you where you are. Okay, so we have seen what can cloud identity account do. What you have to do with this account is you need a guidance on setting up password requirements. See, there is already a policy of passwords that you should have a minimum number of characters. Now, apart from that, what else we can do this? So, should we set the minimum number of characters as 8 characters, 10, 12, or 6? So if you see here, minimum password length 6 to 30 characters, default to 6. But that was for generic cloud. But for cloud identity, you see here default the minimum length is 8 characters. You should have minimum length of 8 characters. You can change the password requirements for your organization. You can make any other policy, but the default is 8 characters minimum. That is why we are saying option A is our right answer. Now this is the next question. You need to follow the cloud recommended practices to leverage envelope encryption and encrypt data at the application layer. So you have to encrypt the data at the application layer. Now for that sort of encryption, what should you do? So you will have to generate, the option A says that let us generate a data encryption key locally to encrypt the data and generate a new encryption key in cloud KMS to encrypt the DEK. Store both the encrypted data and the DEK. So this looks correct to me because we need to do. But let us look at other options also. The B says that let's generate this encrypted data and generate a new encryption key, same as above, cloud KMS, and store both encrypted data and KEK. I don't know what is KEK. See, we have to store DEK. We already have KEK stored, so that's why this option B is wrong in this context. C says that, hey guys, let us generate a DEK, that is fine, and generate a KEK. Okay, store both encrypted data and encrypted DEK. So what is the difference between A and C? So A and C, where they are learning is, see, A is telling we will store DEK locally to encrypt the data, and C is saying we will generate a new DEK in cloud KMS to encrypt the data. So that's where it is wrong. And then D says that we will generate a DK in cloud KMS. So if you are generating, we have to generate that locally and not on cloud KMS. So option A would be our final answer. So you should how should a customer deliver stacked driver logs from GCP to their on-premises same system? So basically you have, see, this is your on-premises and this is your GCP. You have the stack driver logs, you have to deliver it to your SIEM system here. So A says, hey guys, let's send all the logs to the SIEM system via existing protocol such as syslog. That will not work because that works with only Google Cloud, not with on-premises. B says configure every project to export all the logs to a common BigQuery dataset, which will be queried with the SIEM system. So this, they are saying that bring it to a BigQuery database, which increases the cost. You don't have to increase the cost. C says that let us configure the organizational log strings to export logs to cloud PubSub. See, PubSub is the right thing if you want to add something. PubSub is something which is meant for data integration. It can ingest events and etc. It is just like a middleware that you should use, similar to Kafka, but not exactly like Kafka. Like in AWS, you have SQS. It is similar to that. So this looks correct because this is what will help us with this solution. Now D says let's build a connector for the SIEM to query all the logs in real time. And so see, connector building and etc. takes a lot of time. You should use whatever is available in GCP. See, GCP is taking this exam so that do you understand what GCP offers. They don't want intelligent people. They don't want you to create a custom solution. They don't want product developers. They want you to follow instructions. Just like the dictator of your country, you just have to follow the instructions that is given to you. So that is why C is correct. Never answer something where you are going for a custom made solution. Do not create a custom made solution. We don't want intelligent people. We only want you to understand Google Cloud. If you have already subscribed, great. If you have not and you want to onboard the cloud journey on AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, do so. There is a very small premium that you have to pay to become a member, Cloud Kernel and Cloud Ninja member. But a lot of important questions are there. Free questions plus those important questions in the paid group will help you clear the certification. And more importantly, you have to clear the concepts, because concepts are the only thing which will help you clear the exam or pass the exam successfully. This brings us to the end of GCP Cloud Security Engineer Part 6.